Hi students, in this video we will discuss about insertion sort. First of all, what is sorting? Arranging the elements either in ascending or descending order is known as sorting. Okay, in the last videos we discussed about bubble sort and selection sort. Now in this video we will discuss about how to sort the elements using insertion sort. We will see both tracing as well as execution using insertion sort. Now here let us assume that these are the elements available in an array and their index numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 elements, so index starts from 0 and ends at size minus 1. 5 minus 1, that is 4. Now let us assume that in the first iteration it will consider only 2 elements. The first 2 elements must be arranged in sorted order. First 2 elements must be arranged in sorted order, that is this element should be placed in correct position in the first iteration. So we will assume that there is only one element, then this element, second element, should be arranged in sorted order. We will consider only 2 elements. In the second iteration we will consider first 3 elements, so this element should be arranged in sorted order in the second iteration. Then in the third iteration first 4 elements should be arranged in sorted order, and in the fourth iteration for all the 5 elements will be arranged in sorted order. Okay, now first the procedure here is, now we have 20, this 20, 30 and 20 should be arranged in sorted order. So what we do here is, the element which we want to arrange in sorted order, this 20, so this 20 initially will place in a temporary variable. So initially this 20 we will place in a temporary variable. Let us assume that, so 20 we want to insert in sorted order, so 20 we will place in temporary variable. Then we will compare, so with I minus 1th element, immediate left to that we will compare with that. So 30 greater than 20, yes. If 30 is greater than 20, so this 30 is shifted to this location. This 30 is shifted to this location. Now there are no elements below 30, so this 20 will be placed in this location. This 20 is placed in this location. Now if you observe, after first iteration these first 2 elements are arranged in sorted order. So what are the elements we have now? 20, 30, 50, 10, 25. So this is after iteration 1 or pass 1. So iteration 1 or pass 1, we have 2 elements. First 2 elements are arranged in sorted order. Now these 2 elements are arranged in sorted order, 20 and 30. Then in the second iteration what we do here is, now we will take these elements for second iteration. Now we have the elements 20, 30, 50, 10, 25. 30, 20, 50, 10, 25. Now what we need to do here is, in second iteration we need to arrange this 50 in correct position. In the second iteration this element should be arranged in correct position, that is these 3 elements must be arranged in sorted order. So what happens here, then this 50, the element which we want to arrange in sorted order, that we will place in a temporary variable, that is 30 will be placed here, 50 will be placed here. Then we will compare, 30 greater than 50, false, means, so the elements which are left of 50 all are less than 50. If this statement is false, means 30 is less than 50, means the elements which are left of 30 are less than 30. So no need to compare with the next elements. Once this is false, we can assume that okay, they are in sorted order, no need to interchange, no need to change any elements, no need to compare with the left side elements. So now we have already 20, 30, 50, 10, 25. Now after second iteration, so these 2 elements are arranged in sorted order. Now we go for third iteration. Now in third iteration what happens, let us take the elements. Now first let us take here iteration 3 or pass 3. In iteration 3 or pass 3, we will consider these elements. What are the elements? 20, 30, 50, 10, 25. Now in third iteration, we need to arrange this element, that is fourth element, in correct position. So this element should be arranged in correct position or right position. Left side of 10 are already in sorted order. We need to arrange this 10 in sorted order now. Okay, so now what we do here is this 10 we will place in a temporary variable. So 10. Now we will compare in this way with immediate left side element. What is that? 50. 50 greater than temp, that is 10s. So this 50 will be shifted to next position. Then again we will compare with the left of 50. What is the 30? 30 greater than temporary variable. What is temporary variable? 10. 30 greater than 10s. So this 30 will move to next location. That is 30 will come after 10. That is why it is moving to next location. Again we will compare with the 20. 20 greater than 10s. So 20 will move to next position. That is 20 will move here. Now there are no elements left of 20. So this directly 10 will be placed here. Now after iteration 3 or after iteration 3 or past 3, now what is the order we have? Now we have, so 10, 20, 30, 50, 25. So this is the order we have after third iteration. Now next iteration 4 or pass 4. Now we have the elements. So what are the elements we have now? 10, 20, 30, 50, 25. Now this is the last iteration. So in this iteration what we need to do? We need to arrange 25 in correct position. So these elements are already in sorted order. Now we need to arrange 25 in correct position. So to arrange 25 in correct position, first store 25 in a temporary variable. That is the element which you want to insert in right position. That should be stored in a temporary variable. So 25 is stored in a temporary variable. 50 greater than 25 s. So 50 will move to next location. Then now we have again 30 greater than 25 s. 30 will move to next location. Then again 20 greater than 25 false, means this 25 will come after 20. As it is false, we will not compare with this. Means false means 25 is greater than 20. So 25 will be placed here. Now after sorting, we have, that is after all these iterations, the order we have here is 10, 20, 25, 30 and 50. So after sorting, so far as there are 5 elements, we require 4 iterations. This is the code for, so this is the technique for insertion sort. Okay, now here let us write the code for insertion sort. Now first let us remove this part, then let us see the code for insertion sort. Here first let us consider the elements. What are the elements we have? What are the elements we considered? 30, 20, 50, 10, 25. Now we need to arrange 25 in the right position. First let us see only for one iteration, then I will explain that code for all iterations. Here for j equal to I minus 1, j greater than or equal to 0, j minus minus. Then here what is this j and all, I will explain. Now temp equal to a of I. Now let us take for this is for outer loop. For I equal to 1, I less than number of elements I plus plus. Start the loop. Now observe here carefully. First time, what is the value of I? First it will trace from outer loop I equal to 1. So 1 less than number of elements 5. 1 less than 5 S. So that is A of 1 we need to arrange in sorted order, that is 20. A of 1 we are storing in a temporary variable. So now the value of temp is 20. A of 1, that is 20. Now j equal to I minus 1. What is the value of I? 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So j value is 0. That is j is pointing to this index. 0 greater than or equal to 0, S. So enters into this block. Then check the condition. What is that condition? If A of j greater than temp. If A of j greater than temp, that is 30 greater than 20, S. So tell me what we need to do. If it is greater than temp, so this 30 should be shifted to next position. How to move this A of j to j plus 1? So 30 should move to next position. So for that, what we have to assign? So A of j plus 1 equal to A of j. A of j plus 1 equal to A of j. Meaning, so this 30 is shifted to next location. Now after this statement, 30 is moved to next location. Then after that, as it is a loop, if it is false, then what we need to do? Else break. If it is false, come out of the loop. Then so as it is true, it is shifted to next location. Again j minus minus. Earlier what was the value of j? 0. 0 minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 greater than 0, false. It comes out of the loop. Now its value becomes A of j plus 1 equal to temp. That is, we are inserting the temp in the right position. In this you can see that we are inserting the temp in the right position. Now observe here carefully. So temp value is 20. So j is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. A of 0 equal to temp. That is, this 20 will be placed here. 20 will be placed here. Now after first iteration, we have the values. What are the values we have? So we have the elements in this order, that is 20, 30, 50, 10, 25. Now let us check for another iteration. So as it is false, it comes out of the loop, goes to I plus plus. Now what is the value of I? 2. 2 less than 5, S enters into this block. Means this 50 we need to arrange in sorted order. So this 50 will be stored in a temporary variable. Now j equal to I minus 1. I value is index number. What are the index numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I value is 2. Then j value will be 2 minus 1, 1. That is, it will compare with 30. So 1 greater than or equal to 0, S. A of 1, 30. Temp is 50. 30 greater than 50, false. So it goes to the else part. Through break, it comes out of the loop. Now j value is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. A of 2 equal to temp, 50. That same 50 will be copied to that location. Means, so they are already in sorted order. So no need to change their positions. Now I'll explain for one more iteration. That is, after second iteration, we have the elements in this order. That is the same order we have. 20, 30, 50, 10, 25. Now in this iteration, we need to arrange 10 in correct position. We need to arrange 10 in the correct position. So what we do first? So I value will be 3 here. 3 less than 5, S. A of 3 will be stored. That is, 10 will be stored in a temporary variable. Then after that, j equal to I minus 1. I value is 3, 3 minus 1, 2. 2 greater than 0, S. A of 2. What is A of 2? 50. 50 greater than 10, S. So 50 will move to next location. That 50 we will move to this location. Then after that again j minus minus. Now j value becomes 1. That is, we'll compare with the 30. 30 greater than 10, S. So this 30 will move to next location. That is, A of j is shifted to A of j plus 1. 30 will come here. Then after that again j minus minus 0. 0 greater than or equal to 0, S enters. A of j, that is 20 greater than 10, S. So even 20 will shift to next position. Then after that j minus 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 1. Minus 1 greater than 0, false. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. The 10 will be stored in this location. Okay, so this is how to sort 25. Even it will be placed in correct position. I will show you in execution how to trace the program. Okay, with program execution I will trace and show you. Please concentrate here carefully. Now save. So this is the code. Please observe the code for insertion sort. For I equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus, temp equal to A of I, j equal to I minus 1, j greater than or equal to 0, j minus minus. If A of j greater than temp, A of j is assigned to j plus 1, else break. Okay, now so let me trace and show you the program. First enter the array size, take 5. So I want to store 5 elements. So initially there are garbage values, accept 5 elements. Let us enter the same elements order: 30, 20, 50, 10, 25. Now call the function insertion sort, control jumps here. Then for I equal to, now you can see here temp, and temp is equal to A of I is assigned to temp. Then you can see j value, then A of j. Now I equal to 1, that 120 is stored in temporary variable. Then after that j equal to I minus 1, that is 30, j value A of j, 30 greater than 20, S. So what happens? So this 30 will move to next position. Then after that, as minus 1 it comes out, so 20 will be stored in, now you can see 30 is shifted, now 20 will be stored in first location. This is iteration 1 or pass 1. Now in the second iteration, 50 will be stored in temporary variable, j equal to I minus 1, that is 30 greater than 50, false, goes to the else part, comes out after this same order. Now third I value is 3, then A of 3, that is 10, then 10 is assigned to temp. Now I value is 3, 3 minus 1, 2, j value is 2, 2 greater than or equal to 0, S. A of 2, what is A of 2? 50, 50 greater than 10, S enters into this block. Now this 50 will move to this position, you can see. So 50 is moved to next position. Then again A of j is 30, temp is 10, 30 greater than 10, S. 30 is moved to next position. Again 20 greater than 10, S. 20 is moved to next position. Then 10 will be placed in first position. Then similarly 25. 25 is the element which we want to sort now. This is the last iteration. So 50 greater than 25, S enters into this block. 50 is moved to next position. Then 30 greater than 25, S. 30 will move to next location. Again 20 greater than 25, false. Through break it comes out. A of j. J value is now 1. 1 plus 1, 2. A of 2 equal to 25. 25 will be placed in this position. That is after 20. Then this is the sorted order we have. You can see after sorting we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 50. So you can enter the elements in any order. Now let me run the program. So enter 6 elements. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After sorting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.